Ano ang introduce ko?
Go.
Hello guys, good morning. So this is Sunday morning. Rain is falling. So we have a practice even when it's Sunday because Sunday is we have no time left. So I will introduce the twin sister, the most amazing.
Where are they?
There they are.
Tour me.
So here they are. They are projecting the brotherhood thing. There's a brother. They're like what you call that? Everything. Like they're so stay together. And I will tell you a story about yesterday. Ja once said that. From the past, he don't like he hates Bieber. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber, the crush of Courage. And just last night, Zhao told us that he changed his perception about Justin Bieber because of Arish influence to him. Arish influenced him so much because right now he opens his mind and now he's open-minded to what Bieber is because Arish made him love. Zhao loved
Yes.
Bieber.
Alice is pretty daw. What can you say that you are pretty?
No, we will say she's pretty. Di ba you're so pretty with so mapupungay na eyes and so little eye bags? So pretty.
So after little eye bags.
Yes, they're so sweet. Hi, Aris. Hi, sir. Can you just please let us stand?
Wait. Where's the Daredevil act?
What's their definition?
Yan.
Ano yun siya? They can do it. They only have 1 week. They are killing themselves.
May magta-try. Paunahan. Wait lang. Ulit. Position 1. 1, 2, 3, start.
Hindi kaya ni Debra si Arid. Ayan. Bali na. Bali yung kamay. Fractured yung...
Yay!
Clap your hands for them.
Oh, kayo.
They are so trying hard,
1, position 1. Kami ni Benedict.
We will count. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayun! Sakit-sakit lang ang dala nila. Wala silang napala ako din sakit. Okay, so we have it. So go there back. Go back.
Sorry.
Yay!
Take two, Mabel.
Sakit yun.
Where's the dancers?
Mali yung sa amin,
That's there. So we will do
Dikit
reunion.
talaga pala. Sakit mo talaga.
Hi, Kim. Hi, Netmo.
Hi. Bunet has a boyfriend.
Hey,
What's name?
Has MU. Asif.
Asif.
Asif. We will need to dance. Okay. Let's dance. I will dance. Watch me dance. Sige na. Sige, pagalitan tayo.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.